Did you know that there's a way to see behind your drywall without making a hole and investigating? This is a visual stud finder. It's by Walabot. It's called the DIY 2. I've been using it for a couple years now, and I love it. It is so accurate. So it's just an app on your phone, and it picks up all the studs. It can pick up pipes, wires, wood studs, metal studs, and even live animals. It has this expert mode, which kind of gives you this heat map. So this is showing you that that's a stud right there. And then if I keep going over, it can actually pick up movement. So this is showing you that it's actually moving around. So let's go around and see what is behind that drywall. Oh, it's just my dog licking peanut butter. Hi, Stevie. So back to repairing the drywall crack. So what I do is I put drywall screws on either side of that stud to pull that sheetrock back into the wooden stud, so that avoiding that movement. I do it at the top, on either side, the middle, and then again at the bottom. The next step is take a razor blade and you cut sort of a V groove into that crack, getting any of that excess drywall out so the joint compound can go right in there and make it nice and smooth. So you sort of just go over this so that joint compound, you want to put enough but not too much before you put the tape over that crack. And once you put that tape over, you're just going to go again and again with that joint compound, kind of trying to feather it out towards the edges as you go, making it nice and smooth, and then it's less to sand later on. And once you let it dry, I think I did about like 3 coats of it. And once it's all sanded smooth, then you just prime and paint.